What's going on? You probably clicked on this video to see exactly how the heck do you get your TIPM apart in your 03 to 05. Pretty simple. Let me go ahead and just take all this out and I will show you exactly what you need to drill. There's 3 things you need to drill. And it's a plastic weld. So even if you pry on this thing, it ain't gonna come up. And you have to take out all your fuses. You can just pop these up. You leave them in there, it's fine. But there's one hole there, and there. And you have to drill them out. And I used a 9/64. And it was kind of hard to get in there. So I just went on the top side. Actually, here you go. So I used a smaller pilot bit. And then I jumped up to the 9/64, and I just drilled there, and then drilled there, and then you use, you know, like a flathead, and you just start popping it up side by side. Here, see if I can just throw this on there real quick. So it'll sit like that, and then there's these little tabs. There's like a tab there, and I just got my flathead, started popping it up all the way around. Now, when you get on this side, you have to take out the FCM. There's like these 4 little screws, Phillips screws. You pull that out. And then on this side right here, as you can see, it's a slide. So what I did is I got underneath it with the FCM a little bit and just slowly pried it up. This started sliding up, and then I went around and just pried that up, and it just pops right out. Boom. This, of course, was sitting in there just like that. And then in order to get this out, you have to be very careful. But all I really did was make sure that this wasn't hung up on the threads, and then just I grabbed it right here and I just started walking it up, and it just popped right out. So hopefully this helps if you need to take it apart to clean or whatever. Take care.